front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner. And to look for your images, tap on Images at the top. Use one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Either way, after finding a photo that you wish to add, just hold it and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!